Hi, students. I wanted to draw attention to our first real writing assignment in this class outside of discussion. I am under the course assessments tab, which is over here on the left, and you will have this in all of your courses, and it will contain some assignments for you to be able to preview early. So you can download them here, and this is just what we have in this. And so I've downloaded this. I wanted to talk about our week 4 business writing assignment. Because this is actually 3 assignments that are due at different parts. And the first part is going to be due in week 4. And this is about writing for an intended career audience. So this specifically, you're going to choose from writing prompts as if you were applying for a job. So that's really important to think about the audience in this example. So you can talk about, when you were overwhelmed or, choose one of these prompts. And what I wanted to draw attention to was for the rubric, grammar is a huge part of this assignment. And then also just organization and content and appropriateness for intended audience. So what this means is you want to think about what to focus on that a potential manager would see. So for example, if you're writing about when you were overwhelmed, you really want to get the manager to come away thinking, oh, this person has really learned how to ask for help or manage that experience, instead of, you don't want them to come away thinking this person is currently overwhelmed. and and so for the same thing, if you're talking about taking initiative or a work project, you really want to focus on your strengths and not be talking about, for example, another coworker in a negative light. So you will submit this in week 4. Absolutely submit it as Word so that you can spell check, and then you will submit that in week 4. And in week 6, you will submit revisions based on my feedback. So of course, I will grade it by week 5. And then week 6, you will submit revisions. And then there's also a reflection, which you can also preview down here. What I encourage students to do is, if you are nervous and want additional feedback, there's a really great feature. There's a Smarthinking tutorial service. So you could go over here to student resources and scroll down, and there's Smarthinking. So you can submit this assignment for feedback before you submit it to be graded. So that's a great feature to just feel really comfortable with the assignment, even though you will submit revisions based on my feedback. If you have any questions, please post in the Ask Your Instructor forum. Thanks.